Are you curious about how electronics work but don't know where to start? This beginner-friendly course is designed for anyone with no prior knowledge or experience in electronics. Whether you are a complete novice or simply exploring a new interest, this course will guide you step by step through the essentials of electricity and electronics in an engaging and easy to understand way. What you will learn. This comprehensive course is divided into 5 structured sessions, each building on the last to give you a solid foundation in electronics. Session 1 is dealing with the introduction to electricity and basic circuits. Here you will learn and understand the core concepts of electricity, including voltage, current and resistance. Then you can explore the Ohm's law and the relationship between these fundamental quantities. You can get hands-on with EveryCircuit simulation software to visualize how circuits work. And you can learn to use a multimeter to measure voltage, current, resistance. You can test diodes, how to test diodes, including LEDs, and utilize the continuity feature. In session 2, we will deal with the alternating current AC and electromagnetic fields. You will dive into the world of alternating current AC and its unique characteristics. You can discover electromagnetic fields and the principle of induction, and you will learn how kinetic energy is transformed into AC, including the generation of the classic sine wave. In session 3, we will deal with the inductors in DC and AC circuits. We will explore the behavior of inductors in both DC and AC circuits. We use again the EveryCircuit simulations to monitor voltage and current in real time. And then you will finally understand the impact of frequency on current and the phase shift between voltage and current in an AC circuit. Session 4 will deal with capacitors in DC and AC circuits. You will investigate how capacitors function in DC and AC circuits. We will again use the EveryCircuit animation software to observe voltage and current changes in capacitive circuits. Then we can study the effects of frequency on current and the phase shift between voltage and current. Finally, in the session 5, we will see some practical applications of inductors and capacitors. We will build and analyze real-world circuits, including a smartphone charger and a resonator, the foundation of a radio receiver. We will use again EveryCircuit to develop these circuits step by step, reinforcing your understanding of how inductors and capacitors work together. Who is this course for? Curious minds, anyone eager to understand how electricity and electronics work, or hobbyists, individuals looking to explore electronics as a fun and rewarding hobby, or aspiring learners, those seeking a strong foundation in electronics for personal or professional growth. What do you need to get started? A passion for learning and exploring new concepts, and no special tools or equipment are required to begin. However, Having a basic multimeter and access to the simulation software like EveryCircuit will enhance your hands-on learning experience as you progress. Why choose this course? This course is your gateway to mastering the fundamentals in electronics. With clear explanation, interactive simulations, and practical examples, we have designed this course to be accessible, engaging, and enjoyable for everybody. And now have fun with this course.